In this video, I'll show you how to add or insert a blank page in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, this was my previous history here on my Google Drive, and I want to insert a new blank page, right? So what I need to do, you'd click on this file, right? Click on this file, you'd click on the new, you'd click on the document. Here we go. This is a new blank page, right? So this is basically how you can add or insert a blank page in your Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be with you guys in the very next one.